In this question, two cones have their heights in the ratio 1:3 and radii in the ratio 3:1. So we have to write the given data first. Since we are having two cones, let heights ratio of first and second cone will be h1 by h2. Now it is given as 1 by 3. 1:3 can be written as 1 by 3. Okay, it was very clearly given that in the first line of the question, two cones have their heights in the ratio 1:3. That means height of first cone by height of second cone is equal to 1 by 3. And in the same way, we have r1 by r2 in the ratio 3 by 1. In the ratio 3 by 1. Okay. Now we have to find the ratio of their volumes. Now volume of first cone, let it be V1 by volume of second cone, let it be V2. And we know that volume of cone formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So therefore V1 will become 1 by 3 pi r1 square h1 by 1 by 3 pi r2 square h2. So 1 by 3 gets cancelled, pi gets cancelled, and we have r1 square by r2 square into h1 by h2. Now r1 square by r2 square can be written as r1 by r2 whole square into h1 by h2. Now r1 by r2 is 3 by 1. So 3 by 1 square into h1 by h2 is 1 by 3. 1 by 3. So that will become 3 by 1 is 9. 3 square is 9. Into 1 by 3 means by 3. So 3 1s are 3 3s are. And the answer is 3:1. Answer is 3:1. So this is how we will find the ratio of their volumes. Thank you.